Is it necessary to do an alignment on your vehicle? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now there's a number of different angles on an alignment that affect the way the vehicle handles and controls and all that kind of thing. But the primary angle that we look at on alignment for tire wear is toe. So if these are my feet, this is toe in, this is toe out, and that will cause the tires to wear. We recommend about every 2 years just having the alignment checked, even if there are no significant problems with your car. And the reason for that is as things wear, that toe can change just a little bit. You know, tie rod ends, joints, things like that get a little wear on them. Or we can hit bumps and things and maybe knock things off just a little bit. So that's why we suggest that periodically you have your alignment checked, because visually I cannot see slight differences that will wear your tires. A machine has to tell me that. Thanks for watching, and until next time, blessings and safe travels to you.